5,000. 5,000.
5,000.
5,000. A couple days ago, I heard the craziest stat. 5,000 is the estimated number of times we see ads in our day. I only remember a handful of them. And it's not that all 5,000 of those ads are bad. It's just majority of them are aggressive and incredibly distracting. So today I decided I wanted to challenge myself. Guys, by the way, I never wake up this early to film. It is 8 o'clock. Well, it's actually 9 o'clock. If I told you 8 o'clock, you'd be like, wow, Dan really has this shit together. I want to see how many of the 5,000 ads I can block out. Number one is we're gonna get on my computer right here. This is my little PC. Oh, my voice cracked. That's embarrassing. You know, tickle it right now. Challenge number one, get on the computer and block as many ads as I possibly can with using tape. Okay, welcome to my computer. I don't think I've ever shot here. We do have multiple angles. We got this guy and we got this guy. Hey, oh, it's a terrible angle. I regret that. All right, so here we are on Facebook. Okay, start scrolling down, see an ad. Oh my God, oh my God. Look at this. We got an ad. This whole chunk is an ad and all this is an ad. Not gonna get me again. Okay, first part's done. Literally can't see anything. There's a new ad right here on the side, top right. This is so ridiculous. I think we might actually be done with Facebook because if you look at the left side of the screen here, this is just a menu. I don't think that's gonna change. Or unless we get an ad right here. Nope. Oh, look at this. The Webby Award, sponsored right here. Swear to God, guys, it's been under 5 minutes. I'm gonna have to leave Facebook. Do CNN. No, that's news. Right here. It says advertisement. It's only been 7 minutes and look at my screen. We're looking on the left side now. All right, next one, let's go to Yahoo. I'm not surprised that this whole chunk of my computer screen is already blocked because this would probably be the highest traffic for ads. Like, look, we're getting a bit of an ad right here. Oh, we have an ad. We got a little bit of an extended ad right here. This right here is a good representation of how ads actually appear on websites. All of here would generally be hotspots for ads, like banner ads right here. Ad. Get one free, 2 pairs for $50. No glasses today, honey. That might actually be it. It took 12 minutes to cover my entire screen with some sort of ad. We're gonna head over to the TV, turn it on. Every time a commercial comes up, 5 push-ups. Okay, we're in my living room. Hey, son of a bitch. Char, oh my God. You're never watching TV again, my son. Okay, we're back. We're not back in my car. I was never in here. We're in my car. I am using different cameras, so the microphone sounds a little terrible. That's why. It does not compare to the mic on my DSLR. I'm going to take you guys somewhere. You guys hear rattling? I call these my bro sunglasses because when I wear them, I'm like, yo, what's up, bro? You wanna go surf? This is probably the last and final phase of trying to avoid ads. We did digital. We did the online interwebs. Interwebs, what do I say? Secondly, we did TV. I watched TV for about 30 minutes. Ended up doing a bunch of push-ups. Best part, ready? With auto on. Oh, as a movie that looks like I'm like going to heaven right now. Okay, there we go. Listen to that baby purr. I think so far what I've realized is that not all ads are bad. However, if they're distracting, if they're aggressive, if they're always in your face, I don't want you guys to be confused that every ad is a bad ad. Majority of ads are bad ads. Now I'm gonna try to go in here. Funny story, guys. Years ago, I was asked by Nick Carter's management to run his merch store when he had a show here. And I was like, yeah, no, thanks, I'm gonna pass. Okay, we had a nice sun flare, look at that. Woo! Where I'm at right now, there is a bunch of billboards. I want to show you a picture right now. This is it. That's it right there. You can notice in this picture, there's all those billboards. Now, I've always wondered what it would be like if those ads were gone. So a quick run through Photoshop. Look at that. Look at how clean and crisp it looks. Now, unfortunately, there's nothing we could do about billboards in the outside. They are f***ing everywhere. Let's go look somewhere else. It's bright and early right now, baby. Oh, yo. Huge fun fact right now, guys. If you guys saw the movie Downsizing, this is no spoilers, by the way, where they came to get like the consultation about shrinking their body was right here. This is the Entercare Center. On the outside, they edited it to make it look like New Mexico or Arizona or wherever it was. So this right here is where they went to go get downsized with Kristen Wiig and Matt Damon. That was just a fun little fact. All right, let's go back to my house. Sorry, scratch that for a second. I want to show you guys. Oh, can I not get there? Is it a dead end? This is where Nick Carter was performing one year. Yo, can I drive in there? I'm gonna go in. I'm definitely not allowed in here. Yeah, it was right here. Oh man, this brings me right back. This brings me back to the Nick Carter merch manager days. He did this really weird thing where he was like, as he was singing in the mic, he was going like, I was like, man, chill. Not the time or place, ever. This is where all the fans would like stand right now. And I believe Toronto's oldest house is right there. The old little shack right there, that's Toronto's oldest house. Okay, let's get home. So that was my history with Nick Carter. You guys may be wondering, Dan, where did you get this 5,000 ads a day thing from? My friends at Stop Ad had mentioned we see 5,000 ads a day. So I had a bunch of meetings with them and we agreed on this concept of trying to avoid as many of those 5,000 ads we can in a day. They said, Dan, how would you do it? And my brain automatically went to, I'll tape my screen. Ba, 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 ba. Anyways, so this video was created with my friends over at Stop Ad. The reason why and the reason how was when you guys download Stop Ad on your PC, you wouldn't have to theoretically do this barbaric thing of blocking ads because Stop Ad will actually block the ads for you on a system level. It works on all major browsers. That's Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, if you're an Opera user. So needless to say, Stop Ad on your PC will literally destroy any sort of advertisements that you may see. Secondly, the TV one, it can actually block ads on things like Amazon Fire Stick. If you have an Android-based TV box, or even smart TVs with Android on them. So that's like Sony, Philips, Sharp. So again, a huge thank you to my friends over at Stop Ad, and thank you for accepting my tape on the computer screen idea. It is free to download Stop Ad. There'll be a link in my description down below. There you guys have it, and I let you in on a secret of me being offered a job with Nick Carter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.